In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Godaddy promo codes. The goal is simple: find a verified deal, reveal the code, and apply it during checkout so you can lower the price on your domains or hosting. To begin, open your web browser and go to the verified TechRadar Coupons Hub. This is where you can browse current offers in a reliable, curated place. Once the page loads, take a moment to let the deals finish appearing so you can see what is active right now. You want to choose an offer that looks relevant to what you are buying, such as plans or domains. Next, scroll through the list and pick an active deal. For example, you may see something like 30% off plans or a discount on domains. As you scroll, look for wording that clearly matches your purchase, because promo codes typically apply only to certain products or plan types. Once you have found the deal you want, you are ready for the next step, which is revealing the actual code. Now, locate the promotion and click Show Code next to that offer. This action is what reveals the hidden promo code that you will use at Godaddy. After you click Show Code, the code usually appears on screen. At this point, copy the code carefully, making sure you copy all characters exactly as shown, including letters and numbers. This is important because even a small mistake can cause the code to fail during checkout. With the code copied, you will now switch to Godaddy to use it. Open the Godaddy homepage in a new tab so you can keep the coupons page available in case you need to double-check anything. Switching tabs keeps your workflow smooth. From the Godaddy homepage, add your desired domain or hosting plan to your cart. Choose the product you want to buy and complete the initial add to cart steps as you normally would. If you are buying a domain, you will typically enter the domain name and select it. If you are buying hosting, select the plan that you want. The key here is that the cart should match the promo code's offer area. After you have added the item, click Continue to Cart. This brings you to your order summary, where you can see the subtotal and any possible discount fields. On the order summary page, take a moment to review what is in your cart. This helps you confirm you selected the correct plan or domain before applying the code. Next, find the text link that says something like "Have a promo code" underneath your subtotal. Click that link so the promo code entry box appears. This step matters because some checkout pages keep the field hidden until you expand it. Once you click the link, the promo code text box should show up clearly. Now you can paste the copied code into the text box. Make sure the code appears exactly as it was revealed, with no missing characters. After pasting, click Apply. The page will then attempt to match the code to your order, and you should see the updated pricing if it is valid for what is in your cart. If the total changes, that is a good sign the discount worked. Finally, continue with the checkout process as usual. Review the updated order summary to confirm the discount is reflected in the final price. If the promo code does not apply, you can return to the Coupons tab to verify that you selected an active deal and that it matches your product type, then paste the code again carefully. And that covers everything you need to know.